Are there any interesting results regarding our investigation?
Yeah, there are several. We knew before that nitrogen has really strong bonds, which makes it harder to react. However, we recently discovered that nitrogen is actually reactive with oxygen in the presence of lightning. It acts as the activation energy. This would be the formation of nitrogen 2 oxide.
Yeah, in addition to that, the nitrogen 2 oxide could be further oxidized by oxygen in air to produce nitrogen 4 oxide.
And when it's raining, nitrogen dioxide dissolves in rainwater to form nitric acid, which will fall back into the earth with the rain.
With this, the soluble form of nitrogen could be absorbed into the soil. Good thing is, plants use these nitrate ions to make proteins that help them grow.
Whoa, that's amazing. So after knowing how beneficial nitrate ions are, we can make them into fertilizers, right?
Yeah, I guess so. We could make ammonium compounds as fertilizers to replace nitrogen that is lost from the soil when crops are harvested. That way, farmers would benefit greatly as using nitrogen compounds helps plants grow.
However, are there any downsides to this? Using nitrogen and fertilizers or such?
Well, I'm sure we would learn more if we look deeper into it. Great research. Oh wait, I just got a call from BBS Corp. Good afternoon. This is Kendrew from Natural Research Facility speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, this is Lindsay from UBS Corp. I'm really sorry to disturb your afternoon and calling out of notice.
No worries. What's the problem?
I've been planning to use a piece of land for farming. Would there be a time for you and your team to come over and investigate whether the land is suitable for farming?
That would be great. May I know the location of the place?
Oh right, it's actually down on Boney Street, near the BBS Corp office. I'll guide you there.
Would Monday afternoon work?
Sure, sounds like a plan. See you soon.
So what happened?
Great news. We have been hired by BBS Corp to investigate a land whether it's suitable for farming or not.
When will it be?
Monday afternoon. Everyone is okay with it, right?
Yeah, sounds good.
Hello, how are you guys?
Yeah, we're good.
That's good to hear. Right this way, please.
Oh look, who's there?
We don't want blue babies. Save our environment. Save our river.
Hey, what's the problem here?
This is the problem. Your company is planning to make more nitrogen based substances, especially fertilizers. At this rate, we all would get nitrate poisoning, which can cause blue babies. We don't want that, and we need to save the planet.
No, what we are making will not have any negative effects on the environment. We are just making fertilizers that are lost naturally. Did you know that nitrates can occur naturally from the soil? This is because ammonia and water is being converted to nitrite by a bacteria, then further changed to nitrate by another bacteria.
Sure, these nitrates are lost when plants are extracted by farmers, but the production of nitrates are more than the consumption. Furthermore, this could also result in an increase of acid rain when nitrogen dioxide is released into the air.
I don't think it works like that. I will further investigate this and I'll let you know of the results. And if it is true, I'll try my best to find a way to end this problem.
Do you have any ideas on how to test for ammonium ions in the soil?
Oh, we find out that ammonium ions can be identified if we add dilute sodium hydroxide as we gently heat the solution.
If ammonia ions are present, ammonia gas will be given off, and we can use a universal indicator or a damp red litmus paper to test it.
Since ammonia gas is alkaline, the indicator and red litmus paper would turn blue. Therefore, we could conclude that the ammonium ions are present.
Oh, by the way, does anyone know why they wanted to place all three facilities clumped together?
You mean the VBS Haber, nitric acid, and ammonium nitrate industry?
Yes, those three.
Oh, there's actually a good reason behind it. Since ammonia and nitric acid is needed for the production of ammonium nitrate, it is most efficient to have them as close as possible.
Yeah, the ammonium is from the Haber process or the Haber factory, and the nitric acid is from the nitric factory, and the ammonium nitrate industry combines both of these ingredients.
All of these three factors is just to make ammonium nitrate, a major nitrogen-based fertilizer.
Oh, that's why.
Sorry, Kendrew will not be joining us today. He has other matters to attend to, but he did leave a message for you.
Based on our research, we now know that the land he wanted to use for farming is actually more than suitable. I'm sorry that I cannot join you today, but Keira and Davis will further explain why.
So the land is actually filled with ammonium nitrate, which is perfect for plant growth.
Moreover, the temperature around this area is actually warm but isn't too dry.
So it's a go then. The 3 factories will be success built on his land.
Yes, especially with the 3 factories built closer together, I would believe the production of fertilizer would be very easy.
Also, about the protesters' claims yesterday, is it all true?
Oh yeah, acetylene will definitely be a threat for all of us. It can be described as any form of precipitation with acidic components.
This includes sulfuric or nitric acid that falls to the earth from the atmosphere in the form of rain, snow, fog, hail, or even dust that is acidic.
With this, our environment would experience extra damage. For now, extreme effects could be seen on aquatic wildlife. Flowing through the soil, the acid will be absorbed into water bodies. Hence, the waters will turn acidic. And as the pH continues to decline, most fish eggs would not hatch and some adult fish might continue to die.
Not only on aquatic wildlife, our plants and trees could be affected too. Dying trees will continue to spread as acid rain removes minerals and nutrients from the soil that is essential to plant growth.
Do you have suggestions on how to solve this problem?
There is actually one way. Since the main source of acetylene is nitrogen dioxide, we can use catalytic converters to convert the gas to harmless gases.
Yeah, but we have to install the car exhaust systems on every car. That will cost a lot of money.
Okay, thank you. I guess we would have to use this method. We can't have tons of protesters complaining about this again. I also don't want investors to regret their decision. Regarding the concerns coming from everyone, we believe to have found a solid solution to the problem. As many of you have stated before, we are releasing much more nitrogen dioxide, which is resulting in a drastic increase of acid rain. To counter this, we are planning to install catalytic converters in every car exhaust systems for residents living in this area.
How much would be charged?
Free of charge, of course. This could not only benefit our environment, but our health too.
Sounds great, but how does the car exhaust system even work?
Catalytic converters convert 98% of the harmful fumes produced by a car engine into less harmful gases. It reduces nitrogen oxides into elemental nitrogen and oxygen. With this, less nitrates could be formed, which will decrease the amount of nitrate entering the water body as acid rain.
That's a fantastic idea. I think we can all agree on that.
Thank you, thank you.
Hello, Miss Lindsay. What an amazing and great announcement you have just made for everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself as Mr. Gopi.
Hi there, Mr. Gopi. How may I help you?
I have a proposal for you. Being a retired army officer, my family has a lot of connections in the business services. My family has business ventures with the soap and the textile industry. And I think that nitric acid is a great ingredient for this. Moreover, I learned that nitric acid is being used in the production of TNT and more explosives. This is a great and interesting thing for my colleagues to work on.
Of course, I'll be honored to accept your offer. Is there any way we can keep in touch?
Sure, you can have my business card. Here you go.
Okay, thank you. I'll contact you soon for more info.